Yeah, it's fine. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So, what's on your mind today?
Yes, in my mind today, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you one model auxiliary verb. His name is should. So I learned should from the ChatGTP. So what he say? Now I am start speaking with the ChatGTP, and today I am going to tell you how to practice with the ChatGTP of your English communication skills. uh, Nowadays, some of people learn English, but he has no partner. So you can choose ChatGTP as a partner. ChatGTP give you the right word, right sentence. So you can improve English communication skill by using ChatGPT. Now I have ChatGTP. See, ChatGPT. So this ChatGPT through we can practice English speaking. So I choose one model auxiliary verb. His name is should. So we can speak with the ChatGPT. Okay, let's start now. Hello. Hello.
Hey there, how's it going?
Yeah, it's fine. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So, what's on your mind today?
Yes, in my mind today, I practice English communication with you.
I love that. Just chat away, and I'm here to help. Whether you want casual conversation or you want to practice something specific,
Uh,
we'll make it work.
yeah, today I choose should model verb, model auxiliary verb.
Ah, the good old should. Great choice. So, are you thinking of practicing sentences or do you have some specific examples in mind?
Can you tell me first what is the should?
Absolutely. Should is a modal verb we use to express advice, recommendations, or sometimes expectations. It's like saying what's the right thing to do or what's likely best. For example, you should get some rest is friendly advice. It's not an order, just a nudge.
But why we use should?
We use should because it helps us guide, suggest, or reflect on what might be wise or appropriate without being too forceful. It's softer than words like must or have to. It allows you to give advice, share expectations, or talk about responsibilities in a way that feels supportive. It's like guiding someone toward a good idea rather than pushing them.
Okay, listen what he say. He said when we use should. When you use should when you have to guide anyone and suggest anything like if anyone has a headache, so you can tell you should go to the hospital. So you can give advice to your friend by using the should. Am I right, ChatGTP?
You've got it. That's exactly how you use should. It's perfect for giving friendly advice, like suggesting a trip to the hospital if someone's got a bad headache. It's all about helping someone consider a smart action without sounding too bossy.
Okay, can you tell me some sentence by using should?
Of course, here are a few. You should drink more water if you're feeling tired. He should study a bit more before the exam. They should arrive by 5 p.m. if traffic isn't bad. And of course, if it's raining, you should take an umbrella.
Okay, I mean you give suggestion to anybody by using the should. Like now I am going to tell you some English sentence. If I am wrong, then correct me. Then if my friend is in other house, then I'm gonna tell you, hey friend, you should go your home. Your mother and father is waiting. Am I right?
You're definitely on the right track. I just tweak it a little. You might say, hey friend, you should go home. Your mother and father are waiting. Just a couple of small adjustments for grammar. But you've got the structure and the idea exactly right.
Listen, I tell wrong sentence. Then he corrected me. So this is the beauty of ChatGTP. So you can speak with the ChatGTP and he can improve your English communication skills and he advise you where you wrong. So let's start. I will speak another sentence. We should call the police. Is right?
You Yes, that sentence is absolutely right. We should call the police is a clear and correct suggestion. Well done. Keep them coming.
Okay, can you tell me more sentences one by one?
I'd be happy to. All right, here's one. You should take a break if you're feeling overwhelmed. Let me know if you want to reflect on it or if you'd like the next one.
Okay, what he said you should take a break if you are feeling overwhelmed. Okay, you can use should when your friend feeling not well. There you can suggest you should take a break if you are feeling overwhelmed. That way you can improve your English communication skill by using the model verbs. So ChatGPT, can you suggest any other English words uh, that will improve our communication skills?
I love how you're reflecting on it. Sure, besides should, we can try other modals that add variety. For example, could is great for possibilities. You could try a different approach. Or might for uncertainty. It might rain later. Each modal adds a slightly different flavor, so exploring them all will level up your communication.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you, ChatGPT. You today you help lot too much. So thank you so much.
You're so welcome. I'm really glad I could help out. If you ever want to practice more or have any other questions, just drop by. Keep going strong with your English.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Just I talked with the ChatGPT. Then how he react. So this is the like beauty of the ChatGPT. So when you try to speak or you try to learn English, then you can use ChatGPT, Gemini, and lots of AI tools in the market. So you can use anyone, and you can improve your English communication skills by using the AI. So this is our video purpose. So for more updates and more, if you like this video, you can comment out, and then I will create more video like that. Thank you.